I want to see Mr. Freeze. Hello. Hello, Mr. Freeze in the picture.
Oh no, Snow. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Homemade Happiness. Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Homemade Happiness. Today I am back with another A Day in My Life video. In today's video, I am kind of upset waking up today morning because it's minus 17 degrees right now and it's all stormy today, like a huge storm in Calgary, and we won't be able to do our weekly groceries today. So I plan to do my groceries again with Instacart, and it's quite upsetting because we already had few plans for the weekend, but I don't think we would be able to make it today. All right, we woke up pretty late today. It was 9:30 when we woke up, and we had our breakfast. By the time we had our breakfast, my Instacart groceries are here, and then Zach started to make some popcorn for the kids so that they can watch some movies and I can do my cleaning and stuff. And yeah, ever since I started my groceries on Instacart, I enjoy a lot because it saves a lot of time for me, and I can think about doing some other stuff. So yeah, I kind of like it. And then I started to arrange all my groceries in the jars. As soon as I organize all my groceries into the jars, it's time for me to do some cleaning, and then I also have to do cooking today. I love the candles from Bath and Body. They smell so good. And there was a lot of mess around which I had to clean the other day, but I couldn't do it since I wasn't feeling really good. And weekends are always my favorite because I don't have to cook on weekends, at least not once in a while. I make sure I just skip cooking and have fun, just take rest, take a nap, take an extra nap, anything that I would like or love to. And then there was a lot of dishes on the dishwasher which I have to put away the other day, but couldn't really able to do it since I wasn't really doing good, like I said. Yeah, so I just clean that and I make sure that I fill the water in the water bottles for my kids and my husband. It's always really important to fill the water bottles for them because they don't really drink it if I don't fill it. with cleaning. Now it's time for me to make the lunch. Today I am going to make the palak and shrimp recipe for my lunch. And hopefully we are going to make roti to go with that. I made sure that I do have the whole recipe of shrimp palak into this video, but any of you need the separate recipe video, please let me know in the comment section so I can make a separate video for you guys. So I started dipping my frozen shrimp into the water and then also washing the palak really nice. And once that done, I started keeping the ingredients ready for the recipe. For the palak, I started adding onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and some cilantro, some oil, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, and some ginger garlic paste into the pan and half a glass of water, and then I just cover it and keep it on the stove on the high flame for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, my palak is cooking. I'm getting my shrimp ready. Here in the another pan, I took my onions, green chili, spring onions, cilantro, some ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, and some oil into the same pan. And I also add some water and started cooking that. Meanwhile, I'm also checking back on my palak every now and then just to make sure it's cooked really well. And then I am cooking my shrimp until the water is totally absorbed into my shrimp. Alright, after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, my palak is ready and I just started to mash everything into the pan, and then I added the shrimp which has cooked really nice. Check the salt and red chili powder. If needed, you can add a little more as well. And then my lunch is ready. It's a very simple recipe. If anyone wants, please let me know in the comment section. And I started to chop some salads to go with the roti and shrimp palak. Alright, our lunch is done and now I started to straighten Zach's hair. Every 3 days I do his straightening because his hair is very curly and strong, and it needs to be straightened every 3 days. Hopefully I'll share a different video of his hair care and what kind of hairstyles you can do with the long hair and what kind of hairstyles that suits on men. Let me know in the comment section if any one of you interested in such kind of videos. So initially when I started to straightening his hair, it took me like 2 hours. Then I got some experience. Then I started doing like 45 minutes. Okay, Zach, do you want to tell something to our viewers? How long does it take you to grow this much of hair?
This depends upon everyone is different. So for me, it took 1 year to grow this so long.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
so there are so many tips where you can make your hairs grow faster and protect them. So you don't take stress. That's the number one point. You take more stress, all your hair's gonna fall. It's gonna gray out and it's gonna lose its strength. Okay, so make sure that you don't take too much stress. Sorry. And then the second thing is like don't use too much of hard shampoos that has a lot of strong chemical reactions. So I try to take sometimes baby shampoo or some kind of neutralized shampoo, those kind of things to avoid a lot of hair fall. One bad thing I have is like I don't comb so often. That's bad. You have to do it to keep it very smooth. So that is also important. And then make sure that you apply conditioner after you put the shampoo to make it soft and like free from all those kind of problems, hair problems actually. And then try to take as much as oil massage. My wife does it most of the time. She applies some oil and then massage it. Very nice. That's good for your scalp of your head to protect your hairs from root. Yeah, I mean there are so many tips you can do, but to get started, have very less stress.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving such a valuable tips for our viewers. Is there anything else you want to say? Like I see your hairs are so black, and what do you do for that?
Oh, this is from inheritance. My mom has a very thick black hairs, so I'm lucky to get it. I do have my brother that he has a little bit less than this kind of hairs. So yeah, I mean like it's inheritance.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That sounds beautiful. Thank you so much, Zach, for giving me some time to show your hair and tips.
Spicy tips.
Yeah, no problem.
Spicy tips.
Yeah.
And then it was 3:30 in the afternoon. Riza and Ali was watching some cartoons in the TV, and then I told them we have some activities to get done today since Ali got some homework from school. So his teacher asked us to do some activities that start with I and X. So he needed to draw something starts with I and X, which is I as an ice cream and X as an Xmas. So I asked him to draw ice cream and an Xmas tree. And I must say Ali is pretty good with his drawing skills, and he can just copy anything and everything that I show him. I'm not really good at drawing, but I try and do a lot of things to teach Ali and Riza. Alright, that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video, and I hope to see you guys very soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.